multitasking. It's the life of a homeschool mom, right? We're talking a lot about child training, character training, attitude training on the channel. And I just want you to know that these things need to be a priority, and you don't need to spend a whole lot of time on them. Don't worry. You can look at your kids for an hour or for a day or two, and you will be able, peeling potatoes, you will be able to identify something that they need to work on. And then you can put on your creative cap and come up with ways to teach your kids like how to cut properly with a potato. I'm about to drive somebody crazy because I've always cut potatoes the wrong way. Look at that. I always cut potatoes the wrong way. You can think of something that your kids need to work on. Focus on their character, and then orchestrate little training pockets of time in your day where you just practice. Practice being a twit. Practice being really kind. Practice being too loud. Practice being too quiet. Focus on that one thing with your kids. And then over time, a little bit goes a long way. I'm doing a lot of videos with our dog right now because we're working on training him up. Don't panic. Working on training him up. Don't panic. It's okay. It's okay. The worst thing that can happen is I'm going to cut myself and you're not going to have to clean it up. But don't worry. I have always peeled potatoes this way. Working with my dog and working on behaviors. And the trainer that I'm studying talks about the fact that when he works with a dog, he works a dog 5 times a day in short bursts. The first training session of the day is always to get the kinks out, right? My husband calls it greasing the group. Don't panic. It's okay. I promise you. It is okay. I promise. My husband was a saucier chef. He can't be in the kitchen with me when I'm cooking. It's okay. We survive. We made it. I taught my kids how to use peelers and knives properly. But this reminds me of my mom, and I just love to do things that remind me of my mom. So the first training session with your kids, with your dog, with your family, with your students is kind of predestined to be almost a train wreck, and that's okay. Just know that in advance, or make it absolutely ridiculous right from the get-go so that you know you're kind of setting the kids up for failure so that you can set them up for success, if that makes sense. So training a little bit at a time. And I know so many people are like, Bekki, that's ridiculous. I can't believe that you're wasting the potatoes. I can't believe that you're cutting like that and that you're scaring me. Okay, don't watch this video if you don't. It's okay. I'm not gonna, just kidding. Little tiny training sessions. I do have, I'm gonna link down below to a mini lesson on knife skills with your kids, because you do want to teach them proper knife skills. And I have a little kit that helps you do that. Just a little like how to do stuff. It's a little great short mini lesson to do with your kids. But just know that great parenting and raising up excellent humans is an investment in time, and it doesn't happen by accident. You have to be purposeful. Anyway, I'm going to go back to cutting my potatoes wrong, and I will talk to you soon.